Hi guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a 32-pointed ninja star, or as many as you want, out of these points. So first, you need a origami paper, square I recommend, not rectangle, and then you want to fold the origami paper in half to make a triangle like this. Then you unfold it, and since we just folded it with these two corners, now you want to fold it with the opposite corners. After you fold it with the opposite corners, you'll have something that looks like this, where there's a line right there and a line right there. You have 4 mini triangles in between the lines. You want to turn it so that you can see all the points and it makes basically a diamond. Then you want to fold all of the points into the middle of the paper. Like this. So there we go. That's it's basically a square with 4 triangles folded over. Now you grab one of the points and fold it over to the middle line and then crease it to make that. You do it with the opposite point and do the exact same thing to make it like this. Then, if you flip it over, you'll notice that there are 2 points right here. You want those to be as straight across as you can, and then there will be a point right here. You want to fold the point over and then stop at both of these points, and it'll make a line in between the points. That's why you want it to be as straight as possible. So you'll have basically that now. And now you'll notice that the triangle makes 2 lines right there. You want to crease it so that you have those on both sides. So now you want to get it like this, and then you want to grab the inside of the triangle with your thumbs, and with your pointer finger, you want to grab the outside that you just folded and squish them together. Then, since there's a line in between here, you want to get the 2 points as close together as possible, and then you want to crease this. And then after that, you will have your first point of the 30-pointed ninja star. Now here's how you connect them. You go, say you have 2. You'll notice that there are 2 of these right there, and you have 2 points from the other ninja star. You want to put both of the points in to the holes, and it'll connect, and you'll notice that it'll connect them. This one. Okay. So now, after it might be a little bit tricky if one of your points isn't right on, like this one. So you'll wanna, I'm just gonna flip them around. So you'll wanna, so after you connect them, you wanna push them in as hard as you can, and you'll make 2 points right there. All of the pieces have 2 holes right there. If you want to make more and more of those, and eventually you'll notice it'll start making a circle, and you can make it as many of these as you want and connect them. And these are the points for the ninja star. You'll fold it all around, and then as the last one, you'll do the exact same thing, and you'll make a big circle with all points around the outside, and that's how you make the ninja star. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you can see my next great video.